Hello, beautiful people. My name is Chifrin, and welcome once again on Chifrin's Journal. Yes, I have spoken at length about women, and today I am on the men's corner. Yes, I want to talk about men. So the topic is who determines the sex of a baby? Who is responsible for the sex of a baby? Is it the man or the woman? It is common to see men raising some kind of verbal abuse, physical abuse on the women, especially when they have given birth to like 1, 2, 3, 4 female children. Sometimes they send them packing and they go about to look for that woman who has a 3 producing male children in her womb. They will bring in a second wife or third wife, testing and doing some trial errors to have male children, not knowing that their problem is within them, the men. Now let me tell you something. Sperm cells are either X or Y. An X cell is always what? X. When I say X, like this. And it is when the man's X sperm cell meets with a woman's X egg that the woman will give birth to what? A female child. And when the man's Y sperm cell meets with the woman X cell, it results to what? A baby boy. It is just the man that has both the X and the Y sperm cells in him. The woman does not have the Y sperm cell, which is responsible for the male child. So it is the man that determines the sex of a baby and not the women. Yes. And there are certain times you should be with your woman to enable her conceive and give birth to whatever sex of a baby you would like her to give birth to, especially when you are trying to pre-select cells of a child. But men don't just understand all these things. It is true that our foreparents, they were ignorant of all this, and God were blessing them. But in our own time, it is sad that there are solutions for you to go through, and you fail to apply such solutions in order to get the results you want. There is what is called female cycle. Their menstrual period, ovulation, and what have you. Most men do not care. They don't understand their women's biology. They don't understand their women's cycle. All they know is that I have paid your bride price, I've done the whatever wedding, Lego or be it whatever. Therefore, it is my right to dig deep whenever I want. It is my right to rub things with you whenever I want. Some don't even give their women a break of 1 week, a 1 week break, 2 weeks break after delivery. They will jump in again to fire on. It is your fault, and you, the man, determines the sex of a baby and not the woman. Stop blaming the women for what they do not know nothing about or what they are not responsible for. Sit down. If you cannot read, please take your wife to the doctor if you don't listen to her, because a woman should be able to, detail you about her cycle, when is her free period and when her ovulation period, which lasts for a period of 5 to 7 days. And this particular ovulation of 13 is just 1 day in a woman's life. Sometimes when you meet a woman before her egg releases or before her egg breaks, that's before the major ovulation, the major peak day. That's before the peak day. The woman is definitely going to give birth to a female child. And if you meet a woman on the peak day, when the egg is ripened, definitely the result will be a male child. So men should understand the woman's system. Listen to your woman. If you cannot, take her to the doctor, sit down and talk about this. The doctor should be able to track her ovulation period for you, her follicle period, you know, so that you shouldn't keep repeating the same mistake. All children are gifts from God, but African society have just made it something else. Then everybody wants both boys and girls, yes, to complement the family setting and the societal setting, you know. So discuss these things with your wife, listen to your wife, understand her body system, and know when to do and when not to do, especially when you are trying to pre-select sex. So that's my point here. Men are responsible for determining the sex of a child, the sex of a baby, and not the woman. Stop calling them names. Stop bringing problems to your family by bringing in the second woman, the third one, in the course of looking for a male child, a heir apparent, or whatever you call it. It is a no. So please just click on the like button and subscribe as well. It's all free. Thank you for your time.